Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a video to review how to round 3-digit numbers to the nearest 10. So what I'm going to do is give just a couple examples if you may need some extra help. I'm going to start with the number 764. The very first thing that I want to do is make sure I draw my number line out and I have my benchmarks and my midpoint. Now I'm rounding to my nearest tens. This is my 3-digit number. So I'm going to find my number in the tens place. Now I'm not changing my hundreds, so I do have 700, which will go on my lower benchmark. The 100 that comes after 700 is 800, so it would go here. And then in the middle, or my midpoint, would be 750, because 750 is halfway between 700 and 800. Now I want to place 764 on the number line. Well, I know that 764 comes after 750, so I'm going to place it on the number line after 750. I can see that the number 764 comes after the midpoint, so I know that it is closer and will round up to 800. All right, let's practice another example with the number 832. The first thing I'm going to do is draw my number line, benchmarks, midpoint. I am rounding to my nearest tens place. I am not changing my 100 because I'm rounding to tens, so I know I have 8 hundredths. The number that comes, or the hundreds that come after 800 is 900, and in the middle is 850. Now, where does 832 fall on this number line? Before 850 or after? I know that 832 comes before 850. So, is this number closer to 800 or is it closer to 900? It is closer to 800, so I know that it rounds down to 800. All right, we'll do one more together, and then if you still need help, please let me know. Your number is 125. The very first thing I need to do, draw that number line, draw my benchmarks, and my midpoint. I'm rounding to my nearest tens today, so I'm going to underline that tens place. I am not changing the hundreds, so I know 100 will go on my lower. And what comes after 100 when counting by hundreds, 200. And on my midpoint would be, 150, because 150 is halfway between 100 and 200. 125, where does it go on our number line? Before 150 or after? Before. And now we can tell, is 125 closer to 100 or is it closer to 200? It is closer to 100, so it rounds down to 100. If you still need help, please let me know.